everyone, welcome back to Techwiden. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, that is elastic IP address. So in this video we will dive what an elastic IP is, why it is essential and how to attach it to an ongoing instances. So let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's understand what is elastic IP. An elastic IP is a kind of a static, or we can say public IP address, which is designed for dynamic cloud computing on platform like AWS. So it provides us with a fixed IP address that we can associate with our instances, and even if they stop or start. Now you might be wondering, why do we need the elastic IP addresses? Well, there are few reasons, and the first reason is regular or non-elastic IP addresses are dynamic. This means they can change every time you stop and start your instances. So if you rely on a specific IP address to access your application or services, such as web server, it can become a problem. Let's consider an example. Imagine you have a web server running on an instance with a regular IP addresses, right? Now, if that instance stop or restart, it might get a different IP address assigned. And this change could break any DNS record or configuration associated with the previous IP addresses, and which causing your website to go down temporarily. So that's why we need an elastic IP address. And with the help of elastic IP, we have a fixed IP address that we can attach to our instance and maintain even when it is stopped or restarted. And this makes ensure that our services, such as our web server, continue to operate seamlessly without disruption or by the IP address changes. Now, let's we understand the importance of elastic IP addresses, right? Let's go ahead and see how to attach an elastic IP to an ongoing instance. Now, this is my AWS console. In the left side menu and in the section of network and security, we have the elastic IP. So just click on it. And simply to allocate the elastic IP address, click on the allocate elastic IP address. So first option is network border group, which is our Asia Pacific South one. Select the Amazon pool of IPv4 addresses. For the global static IP addresses, we have to create an isolator, which we will explore in our later videos. So we can add the tags if we want, and just click on the allocate. Now allocated IP address, that is 13.200.98.128. Now let's go to our instances, and currently we have two instances which is running. So let me select the demo instance and check their IP address, which is 13.232.216.142. We have a different IP address of demo instance placement as well. Now go back to elastic IP, click on the action and associate elastic IP address. Now we have a two option for the selection of resources according to instance or network interface. So let me choose the instance. So currently we have two instances, and let me choose one of them. Leave the option of reassociation because we are not going to reassociate. So just click on associate. Now go back to our instances and let me filter it according to the running instances. Select the instance which we already associate to the elastic IP address, and there you have it. You have successfully attached an elastic IP address to your ongoing instance. Now your instance will maintain a fixed IP addresses even if it stopped or restarted. And to deassociate the elastic IP address from the instance, just select the instance, click on the action, go to the network and click on deassociate elastic IP address. Click again on deassociate elastic IP address. Write down the proceed and deassociate it. Now go back to elastic IP. Click on the action and release the elastic IP address, because it is very important. If we have an elastic IP address and it is not associated with any of our instances or network, then it will increase our bill and we have to pay for it. But if an elastic IP address is associated with our instances, then it is free. So every time keep this in mind, that if we have no use of elastic IP address, then we have to release it. So click on release the elastic IP address. Let me refresh it once, and now I can release it. So that's all for this video. We hope you found it helpful in understanding what elastic IP addresses are, why they are important, and how to attach them to your instances. So if you have any question or suggestion for the future videos, so please leave them in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, thank you.